Good afternoon, Madam Chair and board members. My name is Kit Enger. I'm president of Turnkey Engine Supply, Oceanside, California. I also represent the sand car builders or dune buggy builders of Southern California. So that we together can address the systemic enforcement problems, we need first to appreciate how our small California businesses were and continue to be treated by CARB enforcement staff. As the leader of California sand car manufacturers, I proactively approached CARB in 2006 as soon as I found out that brand new emission standards were in the pipeline for our recreational vehicles. Our industry made substantial investments and worked closely with the certification staff to make sure that the vehicles were certified. Despite our efforts to cooperate, CARB enforcement slapped our industry with a $600,000 penalty without any explanation of how the penalty was calculated or any acknowledgement of our efforts to comply. Our industry had no idea that CARB was relying on illegal underground regulations that had not been approved by the Office of Administrative Law. Additional information on our OAL petition and on this illegal underground regulation is posted on our certreform.org website. Our small businesses in the sand car industry have been devastated by CARB's $600,000 penalty. It has contributed to 5 of our 38 members going out of business and one of them a suicide, permanently out of business. During the settlement negotiations, a CARB enforcement officer stated to me 2 times, if you guys don't get on with this settlement, it doesn't matter to us if you go out of business, change your name, move to another state, or die. We will find you and attach your assets. CARB didn't even care about addressing the air quality issues or my offer to recall all those cars and fix them, bring them up to date. They just wanted the money. Our members have been required to send the substantial penalty and settlement checks to Kerry Albert. He was the lead CARB investigator in our enforcement case. And I wonder that wouldn't it be like a standard accounting procedure to simply send our checks to a CARB fund or an escrow account? We heartily agree with Mr. Jim Ryden's recent commitment to informally investigate the use of collected penalty funds. However, Mr. Ryden has offered to hire a retired police officer to conduct the investigation, and our group, and we expect the public, looks at this as a potential cover-up or some kind of whitewash.
You're going to have to conclude.
I just want to make one more statement that we respectfully request for CARB to rescind our settlement as it fraudulently obtained and return to our members the ill-gotten $600,000 penalty.
Okay, Mr. Enger, I think you can make the part of the record your statement. Yes, your written statement is what I'm trying to say.